In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Spacedesk Driver Console. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. I'll walk you through the main steps to set up your Spacedesk Driver Console so you can extend or mirror your display to other devices. Understanding the Spacedesk setup, the Spacedesk system has two main components. The Driver Console, installed on your main Windows PC, the device whose display you want to extend, the viewer installed on secondary devices, tablets, phones, etc. that will act as additional displays. Step 1. Download the Spacedesk driver. Visit the official Spacedesk website, spacedesk.net. Download the driver for Windows 10 or Windows 11. This will be installed on your main PC. Step 2. Download the Spacedesk viewer. On your secondary devices, download the Spacedesk viewer from the appropriate app store. Android devices, Google Play Store, iOS devices, iPhone, iPad, Apple App Store, Mac computers, available from the website Amazon Fire Tablets, Amazon App Store. Step 3. Open the Spacedesk Driver Console. Once the driver is installed on your Windows PC, open it. This is the main control center for your Spacedesk setup. Step 4. Enable the driver. The most important first step is to make sure the driver is enabled. Look for the power toggle or status indicator and switch it to On. Step 5. Configure control settings optional. You'll see various optional settings you can adjust, such as delay settings, performance preferences, quality adjustments. These are personal preference and can be tweaked later based on your needs. Step 6. Choose your connection method. Under Communication Interfaces, you'll find the most important settings, how your devices will connect. Option A. Wi-Fi network connection. Local Area Network. Enable Local Area Network. This allows wireless connection as long as all devices are on the same Wi-Fi network. This is the most convenient method for most users. Option B. USB cable connection. Enable USB cable for Android or iOS devices. This creates a physical connection between your PC and secondary device. Note that enabling Android USB mode may temporarily disable other USB functions like file transfer. Step 7. Connect your secondary device. For Wi-Fi connection, open the Spacedesk Viewer app on your secondary device. Your Windows PC should appear in the list of available devices. Tap on it to establish the connection. For USB connection, connect your secondary device to your Windows PC using a compatible USB cable. In the Viewer app, tap the USB icon to initiate the connection. Step 8. Configure display settings. Once connected, you can customize how the displays work together. Quick settings. Press Windows key plus P on your keyboard to quickly choose between PC screen only. Duplicate mirror, extend second screen only. Detailed settings, right-click on your desktop and select display settings. Scroll to multiple displays, choose extend or duplicate. Drag and position the virtual monitors to match your physical setup. Adjust orientation if needed. That's how you use the Spacedesk Driver Console to extend or mirror your display to other devices. Whether you choose a wireless Wi-Fi connection or a wired USB connection, the process is straightforward once you understand the settings. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing to the channel. According to our analytics, 83% of viewers watching our videos aren't subscribed yet. By subscribing, you help us create higher quality content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.